guys, welcome back to another episode of 60-Second Sundays, and in this episode we're going to be checking the oil on my wife's car.
I'm gonna need some coffee. Woo! Now let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another. God, look at that light blowing out back here. It's ridiculous. Get that baby somewhere else. They're better. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 60 Second Sunday. I'm your host, Dan the Great. In this episode, we are going to do call-outs. You know, you want to track motion, you want to do call-outs, you want to, you know, maybe you have a cup of coffee and you want to show that's pure Colombian or whatever. Coffee. Could be just coffee in the cup. Just good coffee. So without any further ado, 60 seconds on the clock, please. I never get that right. I don't. Let's get into it. Guys, first thing we want to do is you need to download these links. So I have these saved in my Ziplet account, which is you go to LGKH. I'll put the links in the description for everything. And you can download the sample packs either by going to there and going to show more and download from their download link here, or you can just go to the link in the description and I'll have a link, a Ziplet link there. Either or. It's up to you. It's a simple call out pack. Now the way you install this call out pack is you're going to have to go to your home screen. So go to your Finder, go to your home screen, and if you don't click go home. And then we go to our videos, motion templates, generators, and you're going to drop that sample pack right there, that simple video callouts pack that you downloaded. Unzip it, drop it right there, relaunch your Final Cut Pro 10. You're good to go. Let's get into motion tracking. Okay, so here in Final Cut Pro 10, what we have is the video that So we're going to track this. What we're going to do is go to our generators right there, and there's our sample pack, and there's our callouts. We'll drag that over our clip just like that. And then once you drag it onto your clip, you can adjust it and move it around as needed where you want it, the size, whatever you want, however you want to do your callout. So all that's done. You have to turn this into a compound clip. So make sure you right click on it, create new compound clip, which this is already done, and then you'll have it up here as a clip over here. Once we have all that done, all the colors set we want, we can simply make sure our anchor point's set for our next keyframe. And I'm going to keyframe through this entire clip, adjusting the X and Y coordinates as my finger moves and tracks. So I'm going to time lapse this. This is going to take a while, probably a couple of hours. I finally have completed it. My day is now completely wasted. No, it only took maybe 30 minutes to track it all out. It didn't take that long at all. So I'm going to play the clip for you. Let's start from like right here. In this episode, we are going to do call-outs. You see, it tracks your finger along the way. You set every keyframe. It takes a little while, but the effect is exactly what you want. And you can do anything you want with it. You can change the colors. You can change the size. It's a really handy, nifty tool. Thanks for watching, guys. Stick around. See you next Sunday. We got some exciting stuff coming up for you. Thanks again. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.